there is definitely a couple of things you should think about before you are using a stove inside your tent. Number one, experience. Number two, is your tent big enough? And number three, there can be a problem with the air inside. For those of you who has been in the military and using a stove inside tent, you probably have done this with fire guards throughout the night. There is always a person awake, guarding the air inside the tent and watching out for fire possibilities. And the tents we are using in the military is very often well ventilated. There is no outer fly and inner fly, which can be more locked up and trap the air inside the tent. So, not to die when you are using a stove inside the tent, you have to take a few precautions. Some years ago, I was very eager to use a stove inside my tent because that's what we had been taught in military. So I had this Bergans helium dome 3-person tent, which is quite big inside, but the vestibule is not that big. I was a little hesitant to do this at first, but the weather was so bad we had to stay inside tent all day, and we had to do something to keep ourselves busy through the day. In this case, I checked if there was good ventilation in the tent, and I checked also the distance between the outer fly and the stove itself. And I know from before that when you are lighting this stove, at first it can be a little combustion with a flame that reaches up to the fly. So to be a little prepared for this, I used my frying pan as a lid to take off the fire if it went up too high. But when the stove was lit and the blue clear flame came, there was no worries that this could be causing an accident. I have been a fan of these fuel bottles, which you can pump up and not using the ordinary gas canisters. That is also because we have learned this in the military, but I think I will replace these mostly with gas canisters from now on. So for these last trips, I have been using a 1-person tent, which is definitely too small to use a stove inside. So from now on, I probably will use the stove outside the tent just to be safe and not take any risks. And I think maybe the most of you should do the same. So use your stove, make food, but preferably outside the tent.